Today we are going to see few interesting GK questions. The first question is, who is the first recipient of Parikar Yuva Scientist Award? And the options are P. Veeramuthuvel, option B, Dr. Madhavaraj, option C, Kalpana Kalhasti, option D, Ritu Kharidal. I repeat the question. Today's first question, who is the first recipient of Manohar Parikar Yuva Scientist Award? And the correct answer for the question is Dr. Madhavaraj. Yes. Let's move on to the second question. ExoMars Trace Gas Orbiter mission is associated with which space agency? ExoMars Trace Gas Orbiter mission is associated with which space agency? Let's see the four options. Option A, JAXA. Option B, NASA. Option C, ESA. Option D, ISRO. I repeat the question. Today's second question. ExoMars Trace Gas Orbiter mission is associated with which space agency? The answer for the second question is, the correct answer is ESA. Let's move on to the third question. Today's third question. Production linked incentive scheme to 2.0 for IT hardware is related to which union ministry? Let's see the four options. Option A, Ministry of Finance. Option B, Ministry of Science and Technology. Option C, Ministry of Electronics and IT. Option D, Ministry of MSME. I repeat the question. Today's third question. Production linked incentive scheme PLI scheme 2.0 for IT hardware is related to which union ministry? And the correct answer is Ministry of Electronics and IT. Let's move on to the fourth question. Today's fourth question. Which institution launched India's first information platform tailored for incubators and accelerators? I repeat, let's see the four options. IIT Delhi, IISc Bengaluru, IIT Madras, IIT Bombay. Let's move on to the fourth question. Which institution launched India's first information platform tailored for incubators and accelerators? And the correct answer for the question is IIT Madras. Let's move on to the fifth question. Zika, which was seen in the news, is transmitted by. Zika, which was seen in the news, is transmitted by. Let's see the four options. Option A, mosquito. Option B, bat. Option C, dog. Option D, monkey. I repeat the question. Today's fifth question. Zika, which was seen in the news, is transmitted by. And the correct answer for the question is mosquito. Let's move on to the sixth question. Megalencephaly condition involves the unusual size of which part of the body? And the options are option A, lungs, option B, heart, option C, liver, option D, brain. I repeat the question. Today's sixth question. Megalencephaly condition involves the unusual size of which part of the body? The correct answer for the question is brain. Let's move on to the seventh question. Investor Risk Reduction Access IRRA platform has been developed by which of the following organization? Let's see the four options. Option A, RBI. Option B, SEBI. Option C, NSDL. Option D, Stock Exchange. I repeat the question. Today's seventh question. Investor risk reduction access platform has been developed by. And the correct answer for the question is stock exchange. Let's move on to the eighth question. Vajra Prahar is the joint exercise between India and which of the following country? Vajra Prahar is the joint exercise between India and which of the following country? Let's see the four options. Nepal, USA, Myanmar, Bangladesh. Today's eighth question. Vajra Prahar is the joint exercise between India and which of the following country? Let's see the correct answer for the today's last question. The correct answer for the question is United States of America.